Alright my friends, welcome to video number 4 of the HTML series. Last time we ended from here. Now we are going to go on and look on another element. Today we are going to talk about list. So I'll first clear this. I'll make a comment here. I'll make it list. Okay. So what are HTML lists? So imagine you add some organized data in your page, but you don't want to write this in form of paragraphs or like headings like that. So you can use in HTML, there is an element known as the list. You can use that to make your data more presentational than using the paragraph tag. So in HTML, we have the ordered list, then we have unordered list. Now, for unordered list, if you want to write it, for example, you can say UL stands for unordered list. So now if I select that, then I close. So I've already written my unordered list in HTML. So inside this unordered list, I can put some list of the things I want. For example, then first of all, I can go here and say H3. These are fruits. Now we all know we can say we can list the fruits here. So we can have some mangoes. Then we can have some oranges. You can have some bananas. And lastly, we can have some apples. Save that. Try to run. These are fruits. We have mangoes, oranges, bananas, and apples. So we are going to go and look at another type of list, which is the ordered list. For the ordered list, we have what they call the OL tag. So I'll go on and say ordered list, close it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this fruits I have. I'm going to go inside this ordered list tag. Then I'm going to paste it there. See this in the browser. So you can see for the ordered list we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and for the unordered list we are only having bullets, which are this one. So that's the difference. But now there's one thing I want to show you. With this ordered list, you can give it something we call the attribute. So there we have seen they are numbered from 1, 2, 3 to 4. So I can go here and I give something they call the attribute, whereby I can set type. Okay, I want it to be in Roman numerals, right? So I'll save this, go back here. Now you can see it has changed to 1, 2, 3, and 4, but in Roman numerals. I can also go on and A. When you refresh the page, you can see now they are numbered from A, B, C, and D. So with the unordered list, they are with bullets, but for the ordered list, you can use numbers, you can use letters, you can use O, and lastly, you can use the alphabetical orders, whereby you can name this according to the alphabetical orders: 1, A, B, C, D, and D. So last thing I want to talk about is nesting lists. Okay, now coming back here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to talk about nesting of lists. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my ordered list. Now inside this order list, I'm going to write my lists. For example, I can say list here, then I say item 1. I'll go on and write another one, item 2. Then I'll write item 3. Now after here, so I'll come here on this, I can give it a type, let's say of A. So inside here I'm going to put another ordered list. So in here I'm going to write my lists, item 4, then item 5, so I'll come out of this second order list, and finally down here I'll put item 6. Save this. So when you try to run this, you see this item 4 and item 5 are nested inside. So this is what we call nested list.